If you're anything like me, you probably use social media every single day. But with how many data breaches and privacy issues that have come to light in recent years, it makes you wonder just how safe your personal information really is. So today be taking a look at how you can protect your privacy on social media. We'll be looking at what data these apps collect from you, how they use it, and most importantly, how you can control it. So if you want to keep more of your personal life, well, personal, then this video is for you. Let's start off with Facebook, since it is one of the most popular social media platforms. Once you log into Facebook, they'll track pretty much everything you do on there. This is because Facebook is a for-profit company, and they make money by selling ads based on your personal data. So the more that they know about you, the more effectively they can market to you, and the more money they make. The type of data they collect ranges from the obvious, like your name, birthday, and address, to more subtle things like your relationship status and even your political views. Facebook collects all of this data through the information you give them directly, like filling out your profile or liking a post. Or they collect it by tracking your activity on the site, like what pages you've seen or what groups you've joined. They also get data from third parties like advertisers, who may share information about you if you've interacted with their ads. Now this might leave you wondering, what exactly does Facebook do with all of this data? Well, for one, they use it to show you relevant ads both on and off of Facebook. So if you're a woman who likes cooking and knitting, you might see ads for kitchen gadgets and yarn on your Facebook feed. And if you've ever used Facebook to research a product and then went on to Google it, you might start seeing ads for that product on Google too. That's because Facebook allows advertisers to essentially bid on keywords that are relevant to your profile. So if an advertiser is bidding on the keyword cooking and you have a profile interest in cooking, then you're more likely to see their ads. Facebook also uses your data to help you find relevant groups and pages to join. So if you like cooking, they might suggest you join a group or two on Facebook. While all of this might seem a bit creepy, it is important to note that Facebook isn't the only one doing this. Every social media platform tracks your activity and sells that data to advertisers in some capacity. The key is to understand what data is being collected and then decide how much of that you'd be comfortable sharing. With Facebook, for example, you can control what information is visible on your timeline by adjusting your privacy settings. You can also limit the data that Facebook collects from you by adjusting your ad settings and installing the Facebook Pixel. Additionally, you can take control of the data that Facebook shares with third parties by adjusting your account settings and installing the Facebook Business Manager. If you're not a fan of Facebook's data collection practices, you're not alone. Many people are becoming increasingly aware of how much data Facebook collects and are choosing to delete their accounts. If you'd like to do the same, we recommend uninstalling the Facebook app from your phone, deleting your Facebook page and groups, downloading a copy of your Facebook data, checking your privacy settings to ensure that your information will be deleted, and then finally deleting your account. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.